and the screen is visible. So if you say, we will start the live session. Guys, let me know. Am I clearly audible and the screen is visible? And I am also looking into the chat on other side. So please let me know, guys, in the comment section. And we'll wait for 1 or 2 minutes, guys, so that YouTube will send the notification to all our subscribers so that they can also join and they will also don't miss this opportunity of the hiring process and complete test pattern. Recently, from the last 2 days, we are getting a lot of queries regarding Capgemini. Why? Because the on-campus is going on. So, guys, in November, December, a lot of on-campus are going on. So, trust me, Capgemini off-campus also will happen in upcoming Feb or March time. So, you guys also, if you are preparing for off-campus for the next 1 or 2 months, you also need to listen to today's session so that you will know what you need to prepare for upcoming placements. Not only for the people who are in on campus, I will guide them. Along with that, if you are preparing for off campus in the future, listen to this video so that you will get a knowledge only, right? So knowledge is the important thing. Yeah. So if you need any guidance or if you need any other placements, I know a lot of on campus are going on and few requests we got from our Instagram handles are KPMG, and some people are asking for other companies also. So please, whatever the on campus is going on, please drop in the comment section and I will watch and I will make you guys more live sessions for you in the YouTube. And before starting, everyone like the video and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Let's start today's session without any further delay. We waited for sufficient time. Guys, today we are going to discuss about Capgemini on campus 2026 hiring process and test pattern. This process already started, guys. Okay, this is not a new thing. Already Capgemini is going on, but the test dates are recently uh, rolled out to the students. Like some people are having 6th December examination and some people having tomorrow December 2nd also some people have examination. So the people having tomorrow we can't do anything, but people are mostly having on 6th December. So from tomorrow onwards what I will do is I will do individual videos, live sessions on technical round, coding round, game based round, and also after that we have behavioral round. Behavioral round is not a big deal, it is not an elimination round also. So technical round, coding round and game based aptitude we need to take care. So next 3 days I will do 3 live sessions on this, so don't miss this. And let's dive into this. And in order to get the updates, guys, as usual I always say follow our Instagram, Discord, WhatsApp, Telegram channels. And if you are a 2026 batch students, follow Prepinsta 2026. If you are other than 2026 batch students, follow Prepinsta off campus. Okay, let's start with the hiring process of Capgemini. So Capgemini hiring process is simply, first you have to register in Superset, and this link no one will share you, only college management will share you, like a TPO or training placement officer, whoever it might be. So the placement officer will share you the hiring link and you need to register there. And once your resume got shortlisted, the first test they will conduct is communication assessment. And guys, we know already, and we came a lot of times in the Instagram and also we said communication round is already completed in a lot of colleges. So I would like to hear from you guys. Tell me, how many of you completed communication assessment round of Capgemini already? I know this is completed, but still in this video I will share you the information the people who don't know about it. Okay, and the upcoming days people are having technical, coding, and a cognitive behavioral round together. This is called technical assessment round. Yeah, FFHR, if your TPO is saying it's coming, don't worry, it will come. Why? Because it will differ from college to college. Slowly, they will hire across the colleges after based on the priority based. Some colleges will happen first. Some colleges will have collaboration. Some colleges won't have a collaboration. So based on all the terms and conditions, slowly they will hire on campus. If on campus didn't come, get ready for in next 2 months. Capgemini will hire off campus as well. Okay. So this is what some people had. Whoever registered already completed communication assessment. I will explain. Don't worry. And next, the upcoming days from tomorrow onwards, the Capgemini on campus in college, the process is starting, which is nothing but it's a in college in front of cognitive Capgemini team. You have to write this exam and they are conducting technical MCQ assessment, coding round, and cognitive assessment, behavioral assessment all together. And after that, you will go through the technical interview and then you will get the offer letter. This is the hiring process of Capgemini. And what are the roles they're offering? The roles Capgemini is offering: analyst role, analyst star role, and senior analyst role. So analyst role, you will get 4.25 LPA. Just give me a second, guys. Okay. Sorry for the inconvenience. My internet got broken, so that's why I'm opening another device to show you to see your comments. Okay. So analyst role of 4.25 LPA and analyst star for 5.75 LPA and senior analyst for 7.5 LPA. It's totally depends on how you perform in your communication and technical assessment all together and interview as well. After that, they will give you a offer letter for these 5 roles. So we already know communication round is a elimination round. Once you cleared it, you will went to the technical assessment, which is also a mandatory one. Once you clear this, you will get a interviews. Those are also mandatory. So like this for all the 3 roles, you need to complete these things and then you will be selected for any one of the 3 roles. So packages are clear, right? 4.25, 5.75 and 7 LPA. Now first, so this is the information I have taken from across the internet from a lot of our Instagram followers and subscribers. They shared the information. So they completed communication assessment and they have asked 28 questions and they have given 60 minutes, guys, which is a mode is online. Online means you can write it from anywhere. You can take this exam from anywhere. You don't have to worry about it, but it is a elimination round. So they are giving 28 questions and 160 minutes, which is nothing but 1 hour time. Then what are the things they're asking? What are the things they're asking in this online communication assessment? Is nothing but, see guys, reading comprehension, short passages they will give, and you have to answer 4 questions, and they are providing a MCQs as well. So this is what you need to take care. The first type of problems they are giving in communication assessment is RC, reading comprehension. It's a mandatory thing. Next one is grammar. Grammar, based on the grammar, they have given 10 questions. 10 questions means like error correction, fill in the blanks, sentence improvement, tenses, articles, phrases, or passive or active voice based. So, grammar can include any type of things, whatever it's there in the verbal ability. Okay. And after that, chart or response questions, 6 questions. They will give you chart style messages, respond appropriately, which is nothing but they will interact with you. Randomly, they will ask you a question. You need to respond as a just normal. They will tell you the scenario. Okay. For example, hi, this is your manager. Can you tell me the what is the report happened uh, last time I have given to you? You can respond to the simply as a employees. Yes, sir. Just now I have concluded the report. I will send you over the mail within the ASAP or within the 5 minutes. So like that, however, the chart is giving you the context. You have to respond in a appropriate manner. Okay. Next, listen to the questions, 4 questions, and you have to listen to audio clip and answer the MCQs. Okay. Next, write an email, which is nothing but writing email 2 questions. You have to write a formal mails based on the situation. Okay. Okay. This is all about they have given. And one more thing I haven't mentioned here, guys. Actually, they have asked two speaking questions also. What is meant by two speaking questions is nothing but I will tell you is nothing but they will give you a scenario and you need to speak. So here you are writing an email based on the situation. Here it will show your writing or your verbal skills. But there is another 2 questions they are giving. They will give you a topic. Based on the topic, you need to talk for 1 minute. So 1 minute for one question and another 1 minute for second question. They will give you the topic. And they will give you ample amount of time to think also. For example, 1 minute you need to talk continuously, right? So they will give you 30 seconds or 60 seconds of time. I haven't asked this about the student. I haven't asked to the students. So still 2 questions will come as a topic wise. So Cognizant is also asking same pattern, Accenture also asking the same pattern, and Capgemini is also asking the same pattern. So practice well, guys. It's all about practice. Next. So this is all about communication assessment. Even people, if you need, guys, am I audible? Or is everything fine? Please let me know. On my end, my video is buffering bit. I will reduce my quality also. Why? Because internet is bit lagging. Guys, please let me know. Am I audible and visible clearly? Okay, thank you, Vasu. Okay, thank you, Bharat. Let's start. So this is all about communication round. Still, if you have any doubts, please let us know. We will discuss. And guys, whoever having from tomorrow examinations, second to sixth, second and sixth, I got the dates. Few people saying tomorrow, few people are saying sixth onwards. Sorry, it's on sixth, which is nothing but Saturday. So guys, if you have examination on this day, remember these 4 rounds will happen together, one after one another. They will happen. Okay, so please remember that. And each round is a elimination round. If you clear technical round, then you will go to the coding round. Once you clear the coding round, then you will go to the cognitive assessment round. Then you will go to the behavioral assessment. And all will happen at a time in a college, in your college, with Capgemini team. Okay, in the presence of them, you have to write this examination. It is an online exam only, but you have to give it in your college. And according to the messages and the email we got, please reach to your college 1 hour before the examination. For example, your examination is scheduled at 9 a.m. Please reach out to the college at 8 a.m. itself. If your exam is scheduled at 2 p.m., please reach out by 1 p.m. itself. So please reach out to your college 1 hour before your examination. Kushi, all are online. Online. But you have to write in presence of the team. Yeah, Cognizant is different. Capgemini is the team is coming to the colleges. So that's why it is different. Cognizant is different, Capgemini is different, guys. Every company won't follow the same pattern. Don't get confused. So that's why clearly mentioning the team is coming to your college, exam will happen in your labs, and you have to attempt in presence of them. Okay, so technical assessments we said, right? In first round is technical round. In technical round, they will give you 40 questions, and this is the elimination round. Out of 40 questions, 25 questions are from pseudo code based questions, and all are MCQs, guys. Okay, based on this, you have to guess the output of the code, and whatever today also some people written the examination. So the people who have given the examination, they got like based on XR and OR operations, bitwise logical operators more, loops, conditions, output predictions, simple DSA logic questions they have got. So all pseudocode based questions, 25 questions are medium level difficulty. So you need to be little bit strong in your programming language. If you are strong in that, you are good to go. There is no problem. Okay. Next, remaining 15 questions. Remaining 15 questions will be depend on three different topics. One topic is DBMS, which is nothing but related to SQL or any SQL basics and all. And you need to know about the keys, joins, normalization, SQL basics, and SQL query statements. All these things you need to know. And also you need to know about object oriented concepts and operating system. So this is the one category problems they will ask. And also they are asking about computer networking based, which is nothing but IP addressing, configuration, cloud network basics, all these things they're asking. And later also in these 15 questions they will include based on cloud computing as well, like containers, SAS, PAS, sorry, SaaS or PaaS, IaaS, which is nothing but infrastructure as a service or platform as a service or software as a service, on virtualization and about the instances or the storage devices in the cloud computing like S3 bucket and all. They're asking a lot of things in cloud computing as well. So remember, those who score 80% marks here, they have a good chance, good, they have a very good chance to get selected for higher packages. Remember, guys. Okay, not only your DSA skills will give you, okay, just give me a second, guys. Okay, so not only the coding round, actually technical round also will decide whether you can go for higher packages or not. Why? Because people will never look only for the coding, they will also look for how much you are good at computer science subjects, like how much you are good at SQL, and how much you are good at computer networking, how much you are good at cloud computing, and how much you are good at problem solving approaches. So if you are good at these things, you have a high chances to get higher packages. Remember this. Please score 80% out of this 40 marks, which is nothing but at least 32 marks plus you need to score. 80% means. Okay. So once you clear this technical round, then you will go to the coding round. Before that, I would like to say, guys, if you want to start your preparation with our Prepinsta Prime, I would like to show you everything. For example, if you want to prepare popular skills like Gen AI, data science, data analytics, artificial intelligence, all this will help you in interview process. And even if you want to know about cybersecurity, cloud computing, see cloud computing, if you learn here, you will can answer the 5 questions at least in technical assessment. Or if you want to become a developer, or if you want to do a projects in web development side, you can use this course like Mern Stack development. Or if you want to learn any programming language, Python, C, C++, Java, you can learn from here. And basic coding to intermediate and competitive coding and data structures and algorithms in all programming languages you can learn. Not only that, if you want to learn aptitude, quant, logical, verbal, data interpretation and all, even game based. Even I will show you guys how the game based will be also there. See, for example, if you want to practice digit challenge, so how the questions will come in Capgemini. And for example, there is a switch based questions will be there. How the switch based questions will give in Capgemini and how to practice. So not only coding and not only aptitude, our Prepinsta Prime is completely for your all placement needs. Just you need to know where the particular topic was there and how I can prepare. Take the subscription and take the help of us and start your preparation. That's it. And if you want to build the projects, we have already given some projects. You can put it in your resume as well. And also, if you want to learn CS subjects, DBMS, computer networking, SQL, SDLC, operating system. See, this is also one category, right? See, for example, I want to know about what is operating system and all. So everything we have for all the placement needs. And also, there is a huge sale is also going on. If you use the coupon code KTK Max, for example, if you take 1 year subscription and use the coupon code KTK Max, see 50% discount we are providing instantly. Still, Black Friday sale we are ending today. So those who missed yesterday and day before, please use the coupon code KTK Max and grab the 50% opportunity, or else you will. It's the affordable price you can get. This is the last chance for this year. Next, let's go coming to the coding round. The coding round consisting of 2 questions and 45 minutes. Okay, and the mode is in campus. I already told you, right? In presence of Capgemini team, you have to write the exam. You have to write it in the online itself. Online means in computer based. Okay. Next, in campus you have to write, and it is the elimination round. The programming languages they are allowing is C++, C, and Java and .NET, guys. Python is not allowed by Capgemini. Why Python is not allowed by Capgemini means, for example, might be they don't have a projects on Python, or they don't need a people who are having a background of Python. They want the people who have a skill set in other programming languages based on their requirement. Again, I'm telling you, any company will test you based on their requirement. They don't test you in a generalized way. For example, if you see, have you remembered or not, Accenture removed C++ programming language from their written test. Am I right or not? Sudeep, 3 videos is not enough to clear the Accenture. You need to practice all the relevant data and you need to practice a lot of model questions. Then only you can able to. Okay. So you have a 2 questions and 45 minutes is the time, and you need to write either in C, C++, Java or .NET. So if you feel like you are good at C, choose this. And if you, the people who are learning Python, I suggest if you can't learn Java immediately, at least revise C programming language. Yeah, Nilima, maybe they will come region wise. Okay. I know 50% of the students are also not getting on campus, whoever listening in the live session. But still, the people who have on campus write well, who are waiting for on campus, please wait. Why? Because across this December, the process will continue. Shivam, it's not correct. It depends on the coding round also, how they cleared the coding round. If someone haven't cleared the coding round and only got 100% marks in, pseudo code, how the people will give? They will give base price only. Sorry, base salary only, right? You are good at basics, so that's why I'm giving base salary. So why I said here you need to score 80%. 80% is nothing but if you score 80% here, and also you need to execute 80% of the test case here, then you will go to the higher packages. So the coding question 1, which is of medium level, and the topics they're asking are basic questions. They're asking is nothing but based on arrays, strings, basic pattern problems, numerical sequences, and sequence of the strings, and simple simulation problems. And guys, if you practice basic DSA problems like based on arrays, subarray, or the sum of the elements equal to in the elements of the array or not, based on the strings, for example, they will give you some strings whether it is a palindrome or not, or substring is palindrome or not. These type of questions will be there, right, based on DSA. So you need to learn in this for the first question, basic to intermediate level you need to learn. Why? Because Capgemini examination this time is not that much easy. They are giving you bit high level, guys. Okay. And the next one is all about high level, which is nothing but hard level question they will give you. And the topics so far, I have got information from the students who have given the exam is nothing bad. They're asking based on hash maps, dictionary based problems, and stacks and queues, and string hashing and frequency based logic, nested loop pattern logic, data structures manipulations, and moderate algorithmic problems. And even algorithms means here they will get like greedy algorithms or trees, graphs. All these algorithms will they will ask in the high level question. Guys, again I'm telling you, please be wise and prepare well for these two coding questions. At least if you are able to solve 50% of the questions in this round, 80% of the questions in technical assessment, you have a good chances to get selected for base role. And if you have 70%, then you have a second role chance. And if you score 80% and above, then you have a chance for third role, that is higher package of 7 LP. So please focus on the coding round and technical round. Definitely you will get a higher packages. Okay. Next, after completion of these two rounds, immediately the another round will happen, that is cognitive assessment. Unlike previous years, like from the last 3 years, however, the Capgemini is following the pattern. This time also they are following the same. Earlier there was like a quant, logical, verbal, and all those things. But recent from the last 3 years, Capgemini is also started like they removed aptitude and logical and all. So the online test is nothing but game-based aptitude. They will ask you 7 different games like grid puzzle, motion challenge, and inductive reasoning, deductive reasoning, switch task, and geo pseudocode puzzles, and memory based aptitude puzzles or challenges. Sir, what are these all questions we don't know? So if you don't know, guys, please go to our Prepinsta and you can see if you have purchased the Prepinsta Prime, you can practice. Just if you want to know about the model questions, just go to Prepinsta Prime and scroll down and you can see here little bit as after essay writing game based aptitude. Okay, so once you see the digit challenge, we have explained everything and we have given here 15 questions and here another 15 questions. So total 30 questions you will practice. Once you practice these 30 questions, you are good to go in the examination, right? So to be honest, I'm saying practice is the matter. Similarly, motion challenge. Motion challenge is nothing but you have to create the path between red bubble to black bubble by moving these horizontal and vertical bars, colored bars. Okay. So with a less moves, you have to create the path. So there is no time constraint and there is no kind of how many questions we need to practice and all, we need to do and all. Just whenever you are completing one challenge, automatically the challenges are adaptive, which is nothing but once you complete the level 1, it will go to the next level, and level 2 will be little bit difficult. And if you complete the level 2, level 3 will be little bit difficult, like that the levels will get increased. So how much maximum level you will reach, based on that, based on that it will, give me a second guys. uh, నెంబర్ ఇచ్చాను కదా. Sorry guys, sorry for the inconvenience. Okay, so grid puzzle, motion puzzles, inductive and deductive reasoning, and switch task, and geo pseudocode puzzles, memory and aptitude. These are all questions you need to solve, guys, to clear this round and increase your level. Okay. Next, behavioral assessment. Behavioral assessment is not a elimination round, guys. Okay. Why? Because it is all about your way of presenting yourself to the company. For example, how you will be a good member in a team, and whether you will fit for the company's culture or not. These are type of questions they will get. Okay, this round is not elimination round, but candidate will helps to map the suitable roles. Okay, so just look at here how they will evaluate. They will ask you a lot of questions, whether you have to agree, strongly disagree, like these type of things you need to take. Okay, so when coming to here, you will see the teamwork based questions they will ask, leadership based questions they will ask, communication style related questions they will ask, work ethics they will ask, adaptability, problem solving behavior, accountability, how much accountable you are for the given problem, or whether you will skip from the problem. So these type of things they will see in you, and also decision making and professional attitude. So they will test all these by this behavioral assessment. Not only this, also they will give you situational judgment test, and also you are shown workplace scenarios. How this will be tested is nothing but these type of questions they will give you, and you select how you would behave, and no time pressure, but honesty is the matter. So here honesty is the matter. Okay, so this is all you need to take care. Behavioral is not, you don't need to take the pressure, guys, to be honest. Simply sit, relax, and just have this exam and complete it. You don't have to worry. There is no correct answers, there is no wrong answers. Everything is sorted. Okay, all about your characteristics. If you put some answer, they will analyze how you are. You'll put another answer, they will evaluate how this person. Some people will give introvert answers, some people will give extrovert answers. Like this, they will evaluate all the skills and your behavior based on it. So you don't have to worry about it. And when coming to the summary, so just I would like to share this you guys. Communication assessment, elimination round, 28 questions, 60 minutes. So those who want, please just take the screenshot if you guys want this complete summary of the Capgemini examination. So it is also similar for the off campus as well for future, and most probably a lot of people are having on campus, so that's why we are discussing. So communication round, elimination, 28 questions, 60 minutes. Next, technical MCQs, coding round, game based assessment, and behavioral round all together will happen at once in a single day, in a single time, which is nothing but once you sit in the computer, round by round you need to complete. Okay, 40 minutes, 45 minutes on online. And last, interviews also will be elimination round, and technical HR will varies based on the colleges, online or in campus, which is nothing but whether it will happen on campus or team will come to the college and they will arrange interviews face to face. It's completely depends on colleges. On campus, we can't decide, or I can't tell you everything openly, like it will happen, that will happen. Why? Because companies and colleges collaboration will decide that. Okay, the teams of the colleges and companies will decide. We can't say. But if it is off campus, we can openly say. Why? Because we will get the information from a lot of resources, so that we can openly say, like, it won't happen online, it won't happen offline, or it will happen in the Capgemini campus. You need to visit to Hyderabad, Bangalore, like that. We will openly say. Why? Because we will get the information from a lot of resources, right? So this is all about Capgemini pattern and hiring, guys. Okay, so let's focus on this for first. In upcoming days, like tomorrow and day after and day after tomorrow, what I will do is I will do a separate videos on each and every round, guys. Like technical MCQs one round, coding round one, and game based assessment one video. So those people who are looking for remaining categories or any type of company papers you want to discuss, please comment in the live session itself, so that I will fetch the queries from the students and I will do the video from tomorrow onwards. Interview is next day after technical assessment. It depends. Where if you have a very large number of students, they will take time to evaluate and they will conduct the interview or 1 or 2 days. Or if the number of candidates are very less, they will immediately conduct in the next 1 or 2 days. And also for the interview round, you need to take care about the projects, program basics, DSA, object oriented SQL, DBMS, whatever in your resume you have mentioned, you need to take care of that. Okay, I will talk about Capgemini interview experience separately, or what are the things you need to take care separately in another video. So guys, that's it. Thank you so much. This is the actually we came to the live to tell you guys start your preparation, and a lot of people are having the examination this week. From tomorrow onwards, we will do individual videos on Capgemini roles. Okay, so that's it. Thank you, and comment on this video and we'll pick the top 3 commenters and we'll give you free Prepinsta Prime access. And also follow our social media handles like Instagram, Discord, WhatsApp, Telegram channels. Last but not least, use the coupon code KTKMAX and grab the opportunity. And still, if you have any doubts, you can comment me in the live chat. I will be there for you for the next 2 to 3 minutes. And I will clear your doubts and I will leave. Okay. Yes. Thousand members are writing the exam. Okay, guys, 1,000 members are writing the exam for evaluation and for the selection number of candidates. It will take 1 or 2 days time. So interview might not be immediately will happen. 1 or 2 days later, interview will be happen. Okay. So what else? What are the doubts other remaining people have? Guys, if you have any doubts, you can immediately tell me in the chat. And so many people are saying Capgemini didn't came to their college. Don't worry, guys, they will come on either region based or college collaboration based. They will start hiring. They started hiring. So this month, wait for this month, or else apply for the off campus in upcoming months like Feb, March. Okay. Thank you so much, everyone. That's it for this video. See you guys from tomorrow onwards with a individual section wise videos. And meanwhile, start your preparation with our Prepinsta Prime. Don't miss this opportunity. Use the coupon code, get the 50% off for the today only. After 12 p.m., the coupon won't be give you 50%. So the price will be increased again. Thank you so much. See you guys. Bye-bye.